Just sit comfortably and softly relax. Take a deep breath through your nose and hold it in for the count of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now through your mouth, exhale completely and slowly. Continue breathing long, deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Now, tense up all your muscles very tight. As I count from 10 to 1, relax them slowly. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Loosen up your shoulders and leg muscles like a limp rag doll. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Continue breathing slowly, in through your nose, out through your mouth. Now fix your eyes on a candle, either one in front of you or imagine one in your mind. As you gaze at it, with every breath and passing moment, you are feeling more and more peaceful and relaxed. The candle's flame is quiet and bright. As you look at it, I will count down from 100. As I count, your eyes will become more and more relaxed, getting more and more tired with each passing moment. 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91. As I reach 90, your eyes are becoming more and more relaxed. You may close your eyes whenever you wish. 89, 88, 87. More and more relaxed. You are peaceful. You are calm. You are safe. 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81, 80. Now your eyes are softly closed. Resting here with your eyes comfortably closed, you find yourself relaxing more and more with each moment and breath. The relaxation feels pleasant and blissful, so you happily give way to this wonderful feeling. Imagine yourself on a cloud, resting peacefully with a slight warm breeze caressing your body. There is nothing around you but blue sky and a few other clouds drifting softly nearby. A tingling sensation begins to work its way up, first within your toes. It slowly moves up your feet, making them warm, heavy, and relaxed. The cloud is soft and fully supports your body with its softness. The scene is peaceful and absorbing. The peacefulness absorbs you completely. The tingling gently and slowly moves up your legs, relaxing them, making them warm and heavy. The relaxation feels very good. It feels so good to relax and just let go. As the tingling continues its journey up into your solar plexus, you feel your inner stomach become very relaxed. Now it moves slowly into your chest, making your breathing relaxed as well. The sensation begins to move up your arms to your shoulders, making your arms heavy and relaxed. You are aware of the total relaxation you are now experiencing, and you give way to it. It is good and peaceful. The tingling now moves into your head, relaxing your neck, your jaw, and face, making your cares and worries float away into the blue sky as you rest blissfully on your cloud. Always concentrating on my voice, ignoring all other sounds. Even though other sounds exist, they only help you relax more. Still floating on your cloud, you now find yourself drifting down a long hallway. The hallway is peaceful and inviting. As I count from 10 to 1, you will imagine yourself drifting further and further down the hall. When I reach 1, you will find yourself where you want to be, in another higher state of consciousness and mind. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Further and further down the hall, still even more relaxed and deeper and deeper. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And here you are. Hypnosis is not a state of unconsciousness. It is not being asleep. In fact, you are now more alert, perhaps more alert than you have ever been before. Hypnosis is being superconscious, aware of all the sounds around you, but not letting them interfere. Aware of all the thoughts in your conscious and subconscious minds, but peacefully letting them go where they will. Where we are now is the place where dreams come from, the place that connects you with all of humanity, with all of creation. I am speaking to the part of you that knows what is real, the part of you that knows what is true. Hear me now. You are safe. You are whole. You are loved. You know this is real. You know this is true. You know this is forever. You are safe. You are whole. You are loved. You know this is true. You know this is real. You know this is forever. Still floating gently, softly, safely on your cloud, you see the bright spring day is now turning into a warm twilight. One by one, thousands of stars fill the sky. Each star is a friend of yours, looking down on you with love, watching over you to make sure you are safe, wishing you success in all you do. reminding you how full of love and goodness life really is. All this goodness and love works as a shield, protecting you from any negative thoughts, any harm that tries to affect you. You are safe. Only goodness and love can reach you through your shield, as only your own goodness and love may touch others. You are whole. You are loved. All the bad thoughts, all the bad feelings, all the bad experiences inside of you are now wrapped inside a clay ball where they can do no more harm. You touch the clay ball and it turns hard, forever sealing up all those bad shadows that can never harm you again. You no longer need to hold on to them. So high from your cloud, you drop the clay ball. You hear it burst below. You now feel very light and free on your cloud, safe and whole, as you were meant to be. You are safe. You are whole. You are loved. You know this is true. You know this is real. You know this is forever. As I count from 1 to 5, you will become more and more awake, more and more lively. When you wake, you will find yourself completely alive, awake and refreshed. You will remember the pleasant sensation that hypnosis brings. Waking up like a newborn baby, reborn with life and vigor, feeling better than you've ever felt before. 1. You feel energy coursing throughout your body. 2. You begin to breathe deeply, stirring. 3. Beginning to move more and more, your eyes now opening, bringing you up to full consciousness. 4. You are up and awakening more and more. 5. You are wide awake and feeling great.